Guys, I hope you're all doing. It is Mr. Chu, the NTV. Today I'm going to show you how to put gas in the car. Here there are no fuel attendant. You put fuel on your own. There are 3 ways you can put fuel in the car. The first one is by downloading the application, and then you can just scan and then you're able to buy fuel. The other one is by using the ATM card. You can pay on the pump. You just make a payment there, then you put your fuel. The other one is where you go inside, you pay from inside, then you come and put fuel on your own. So I'm going to show you how we put fuel. So just watch and see what we are doing. I hope you like this video, guys. I'm teaching you guys so that you know when you come to the USA how to put fuel. So like right now I've just opened my tank and I'm going inside to buy fuel. So just hold on, guys. So guys, what I do, this is the pump as you can see. So here I can choose whether regular, extra or super spring. So meaning it has got different, my prices they are different because of the purification on and what it goes through. So now what you do, you get the pump here. When you get the pump here, then you choose what type of fuel you are putting. Can you hold for me, baby? Then you need to show me. So I'm going to choose regular here. Then I press on regular here, pump. Then you can see from the dashboard, it is showing begin fueling. Then I'll come and put my pump here. So guys, you can see I've put and then I've locked the pump here, so it's fueling. You can see on top here it is reading. I've just bought for $15. It's reading here, so I don't need to hold the fuel. I just lock it here. Then once it is done, it is going to tell me that it is going to cut itself because it is done with the amount of money I've put in. So just check the meter is reading here. Yes. So let's just wait. If you're paying a card, you come and touch your card there, then you put the PIN number there. So right now, it's almost done. You can see the amount there. It is done. And then you can see it has finished. So now we can go ahead and lock it for me. Hold for me. So you can see, guys, I've I've finished putting fuel. It is just cold outside, guys. So now you can see it was on the middle here when I was trying to put fuel. It was here, but now let's check how much fuel I've put. It was half tank. So now you see to lead, meaning it is now full tank. So when you calculate, this is I've just put for $15, meaning I had still enough fuel in the car. So right now, guys, I'm heading home. I'm trying to reach somewhere at a place called Athens. I'm going to see a friend who was recently went visiting home, Zambia. So that's how you put fuel, so that when you come here, there will never be fuel attendant, guys. You have to learn all these things. The next video, I'll teach you how to buy things, how to do self-service when you're buying things on your own. Some machines here, there's no need of you. There's no need for you to pay through a cashier. You can pay on your own. This is how how advanced this place is. Yes, guys. So right now I have a full tank, meaning I'm going like about 79 miles where I'm going. It is about 1 hour. So I just need to call this guy to say, my guy, I've started off. I'm starting off from home, coming to where you are. I need to go pick something from this friend of mine, guys. So that was how self-service is done in the USA when you want to put fuel in the car. This video was very important for me because you guys, as you come here, when you get a car, these are the things that you need to learn so that you don't have much pressure. You won't be telling the guy selling in this kiosk to say, can you come and put fuel for me? These guys are very few. I mean, there are few people, so sometimes you could be saving other people inside, and then you want him to come and help you to buy fuel. It's something that is difficult because there are few people here. So that's why they've even they've allowed people to be putting fuel on their own, and the machines are so advanced that you're able to put fuel on your own without anyone helping you. This is the life of the USA guy, Atlanta, Georgia. So I'm heading home, and I'm dropping Madam. I don't know if we're going together where we're going. I don't know. It is blazing, guys, outside here. You can't stand for 10 minutes outside. It is cold, guys, I can tell you. It is cold. The weather, it is never friendly, guys. Okay. We are back home, guys. Thank you so much. Enjoy the view, and don't forget to make some comments and ask me any type of a video that I should do so that you learn these things that you have to come and do here in the USA. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. I love you. Take care.